Samina Sheikh here, and with me today I have the power couple Gurmeet and Debina, who walked the ramp for Viewsty collection actually, and welcoming Prachi also, who's going to talk about a collection. We have already got to know a lot about it, behind, and Gurmeet has told about us. So tell us what you have to say about the collection.
So Jashan is actually a collection which is purely for a celebration of life. So everything which you see on them is also celebrating life, celebrating weddings, celebrating everything which makes you happy. So that is Jashan. But Viewsty is a handloom brand where we promote all Indian weaves and all Indian products.
How much time did you both take to get ready and get this look?
I think 1 hour for me.
What about you, Debina?
I took 1 hour 15 minutes.
The expression.
Actually, everything was laid down straight on the paper so accurately that it actually did not take much time, because when the homework is correct, you just need to do it. You just need to follow the instructions, and I was here.
Also, talking about the collection, how does it feel wearing such a beautiful collection? Both of them actually look like a power couple actually getting married on stage, honestly speaking, once again. So how was your experience?
I loved it, yeah. I love Indian attire. और जब भी रैंप पे नॉर्मली वॉक पे आप देखो कि वेस्टर्न को हम बहुत ज़्यादा फॉलो करते हैं, बट ये फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम हम ऐसा हुआ, मुझे लगा कि हम लोग एक इंडियन अटायर में हैं और हम वॉक कर रहे हैं. जैसे बोला कि हमारी ऐसे लगता है हर 10 साल में हम शादी कर लेते हैं, तो अगले जन्म के बारे में हम सोचते नहीं हैं. हम सोचते हैं इसी जन्म में 7 बार शादी कर लो एक ही से, तो हो गया.
That's quite good. What do you have to say, Debina?
About wearing this outfit, Indian outfit, I love Indian outfit. I feel I am modern with a ethnic root, and that is what everybody, all the current Indian is. They are all out there. They are like all, all across the internet, globally reachable, but they have a root which is absolutely strong. So when I wear Indian outfit, I feel this is me. This is my perfect blend of a modern India who is adorned in the ethnic attire.
And since we are actually talking about wedding celebrations, you guys got married again after 10 years. How was that, and how did that thought actually pop up, and what made you guys get married again?
No, it was not married again, all I feel, because हमने एक फिल्म की है, शॉर्ट फिल्म, और उसमें हमारे जो डायरेक्टर थे राम कमल मुखर्जी, उनके दिमाग में ये था कि क्योंकि हम लोगों ने शादी की, लेकिन हमने धूमधाम से शादी नहीं की थी. हमने रजिस्ट्रेशन में वहाँ पे जाके रजिस्टर पे हमने साइन कर दिया था, दैट्स इट. तो राम ने बोला कि एक काम करते हैं, हमारी फिल्म में आपकी बंगाली शादी नहीं हुई है, तो हम बंगाली शादी करते हैं, हम कैमरास लगाते हैं और हम शादी करेंगे. एंड वो वहाँ से वो वायरल हो गया, एंड वी बिलीव कि इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है. ऐसी फिल्म जहाँ पे हमने शादी की और जिंदगी भर के लिए वो वहाँ पे रह जाएगी.
Debina, what was your experience when this happened actually, dressing like a bride, and we actually covered in such a way only that, they are getting married again. So how was your feeling altogether?
I think I love to get ready, and especially, getting married for me was always in the Bengali style of getting ready. I did not know of any other way. But when it did not happen in my life, I accepted it because of certain external factors. I never complained. But when we were shooting and the whole arrangement came, a topor arrived, which is a Bengali headgear for men. And I was like, where did you get all these things from? Ram was like, I flew everything down from Kolkata just for this. And you guys are getting married on the set. And I was like, really? But everything was so there. Just the way I said right now, when everything is done so well, you just go with the flow. And it just happens. And we wanted to post the picture since then. And of course, we could not. Now that the film is released, we posted the picture and we said, finally.
Also, Gurmeet, you have been, working in a lot of albums, and music albums and all. Tell us something about it.
Sorry?
Can I ask the question and then you can say, yeah, please, because that disturbs, no? Also, Gurmeet, you're working in a lot of music albums, and recently also your music album released. Tell us something about it.
Well, it's all about visibility, because last year हम सभी ने किसी ने काम नहीं किया, और एक्टर और टैलेंट को बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है कि आप लोगों तक पहुंच पाए। एंड म्यूज़िक जिस तरीके से हमारे कल्चर में हमारे इंडिया में सुना जाता है, आई थिंक वो आप एक स्टार तभी बन सकते हो जब आपकी किटी में यू हैव गुड सॉन्ग्स। सो जब मेरे पास ऑफर्स आए एंड आई एम वर्किंग विद टी फ्रॉम लास्ट आई गेस 1 साल से बैक टू बैक हम लोग सॉन्ग्स कर रहे हैं। एंड वी थॉट कि वाई नॉट, क्योंकि फिल्म आप साल में 2 कर सकते हो या 1 कर सकते हो, लेकिन गाने आप बहुत बीच में कर सकते हो। और आज के गाने सिर्फ गाने नहीं होते, इसमें एक फिल्म एक स्टोरी होती है, यू नो, इट्स मोर ऑफ लाइक शॉर्ट फिल्म जहाँ पे गाने होते हैं। एंड ये आइडिया मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और बस उसके बाद एक गाना किया एंड वी हैव ऑलमोस्ट क्रॉस 500 million व्यूज़ ऑन नेट, आई मीन ऑन यूट्यूब, विच इज़ आउटस्टैंडिंग। आप एज एन एक्टर मुझे लगता है आप यही चाहते हो कि आप लोगों तक पहुंच पाओ।